Hello everyone to the first video on the Casual Code YouTube channel. My name is Haunted and I'm going to be your main character when it comes to Casual Code. For the first video, we are going to do a tutorial, a sound untouched part event tutorial video, and I'm going to showcasing you guys how you can make a sound display when you touch a part. This could be used for like indoors, if you touch a part and the random sounds are playing in the background. It could also be used for generally horror games and also simulator games. If you want to touch a part and make a explosion sound or something like that when you complete a quest, maybe anything like this, and you can really use it for anything. It's really flexible and it's really easy to make. It takes only a few minutes, and I'm going to quickly show you how this works. And also as a kind of welcomer to the Casual Code YouTube channel. So yeah, without further ado, let's just get into it. Alright, first things first, what you want to do is you want to get a part down. So you want to go up into home, press part, and then a pop should pop out. You want to go to the scale tool, and you want to scale this up. I'm going to make a square like this, and you can do anything you want. Then you want to open properties, and you want to make sure that can collide is off. That's actually optional, but I prefer to have it off. But you need to make sure that anchored is on. And I'm just going to disable cast shadows for my block as well. Now you want to rename this block to anything, so I'm going to call it sound block like this. It doesn't really matter what you rename it to, you just need to be able to know which block you're talking about in the script. From here on out, we need a sound. So in workspace, you want to search up sound, and you should get a sound like this. And you want to rename this to whatever sound you're having. So in my case, I want to have a door knocking sound. So I'm going to rename mine to door knock like this. And in solid, not solid, in sound ID, we want to have our sound for the door knocking. So how you get a sound for the door knocking is pretty easy. What you want to do is when you're on the Roblox tab right here in the Roblox browser, you want to search up here anything. So I'm just going to search AA or something weird up here. Go to the creator marketplace in the bottom, should be down here, or it should be any of these. Just make sure it's the creator marketplace. Then from here on out, you want to go to audio, and you want to search what you're looking for. So I'm going to search door knocking. Alright, so now you should see a few door knocking sounds. So now you really just choose anything you like. But I've tried these before and I really like the first one. So let's try hearing it. Alright, as you can hear, it's a door knocking sound effect. So what you want to do is you want to press get audio on this one. And then when you've pressed get audio, you want to go down back to Roblox over here. Press the inventory tab, and then press the audio tab. Then you should see your door knocking sound effect. Press on it, you should get to this page, and these numbers you just want to copy. Go into studio, go into the audio, and go to sound ID, and paste the numbers in. Alright, from here on out, make sure that in the sound, the playing is off and the loop is off. Alright, so now that we have both our parts, we actually want a script in script service. You can rename this to anything you want. I'm going to make it sound handler. So from here, we want to start typing our script. So in this case, we want to get two variables down in the beginning. So if you don't know, a variable is a way of defining a part or a system in a game. So we want to type local part equals game.workspace.soundblock. So now we're defining that our part in this script is the sound block, and if you don't remember, this is the part that we call sound block. And make sure that it's under workspace as well. Next up, we want to do the same thing, but we want to call this one sound. We want to call game.workspace.doorknock, and this is the door knocking sound that we have. Now we want to connect these variables to a function and let the script run. So what we do, we say part.touched, which indicates the untouched event here. When you see this lightning bolt, that means that it is an event. Then you want to say connect function because we're connecting the part touch to a function. And you want to say hit here as we are hitting the function. Press enter and an end down here with a bracket should appear. If it doesn't, you can type it out manually as well. Now you want to type if hit dot parent colon find first child brackets humanoid. Then what this script what this line does is that it defines if what touches the part is a humanoid or not. If it's not a humanoid, the base plate, for example, would also work as a toucher, meaning that every time you play the game, it would automatically play a sound, and that would not be ideal for us. So for this case, we want to make sure that the humanoid, which is the main part of a character, is the one touching this. You could also do something else, but humanoid is what you want to work for. Then you want to hit down a line. You want to type sound.play. So what this does is it plays the sound effect, the door knocking sound, because we have it up here, this one. And then you want to say part destroy, like this. And this is actually a working script, but in my case, because I'm testing it out, I want to add 2 prints. So I want to make a print that says script work, and I want to add another print up here that says part 1 finished. Alright, this is the script done. As you can see, it's not that complicated. So what you want to do is I want to indicate this, so I want to say I've made these so it's easier for you to see what is what. Alright, so now that you have your script right here, make sure that everything is in their places. And what you want to do is you want to go ahead and play the game. Alright, now that we're in the Roblox game, make sure that you have your sound on right here. And make sure that you see your part is right here. Now let's just give it a try. For my case, I'm going to open output so I can see the 2 prints that we made. And let's go. As you can hear, the script worked and the prints are worked here. So that's it for the tutorial video on the Casual Code YouTube channel. Hope you enjoyed the first video, and I'll catch you in a later video. Bye bye.